welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to begin with an amazing chapter from your storybook, that is Valuable Water. So, as we all know, that water is a driving force of all nature. So, a tiny droplet of water is a treasure so rare. So, let's appreciate its value and show that we truly care. So, with these beautiful thoughts, let us begin with the chapter very quickly. So, first of all, we have a blue box over here. Let's read it and gain some knowledge from this. So, nature is very beautiful. As we all know that nature is very beautiful, right? It has given us many valuable things like the sun, moon, water, air, and many more. As we all know that there are many natural things that are present in the nature. That is the sun, the moon, the water, and the air, right? And many more things we cannot count, right? We should be thankful to the nature for such valuable things. Obviously, we should be thankful and we are thankful to the nature for giving us such wonderful things. Right? So, next they say that water is very important for us. We all know that how much water is actually important for us, right? We cannot live without water. It is impossible for the living beings to survive their lives without water. Yes, we get water from a number of sources. Find out any four sources of water and paste the picture of these sources in the given space. So now they are saying that we know that we get water from many of the sources, right? So we have to find out any four sources of that and we have to paste the picture in the given space of those sources, right? So that is your homework activity. I hope you will be easily able to find out the sources of water and paste their pictures as well. Next, we should not waste water. We all know that water is actually too precious and we should not at all waste it, right? So they say, write any three ways by which we can save water. So now they are saying that we have to write three ways over here in the given space by which we can save the water, right? So I hope you'll be easily able to find out this activity and you will enjoy it. Moving ahead, let us begin with the chapter. So, as being explained in the chapter, that it was actually Sunday morning and Mr. Roy used to plant the trees in the garden and he was watering those plants on Sunday and he was in a relaxed mode. Relaxed means he was having no tension at all, no tension or being chilled out, right? And so he was actually chilling out there and he was watering his plants, right? And Yash, who is his son, was playing in the lawn there only, right? After that, what happened? Suddenly, the phone rings and Mr. Roy leaves the pipe over there only and he went to pick up the call. But Yash, the boy who was playing in the lawn, he noticed that his father has actually left the pipe and he has went to listen up to the phone. And he noticed that the water is running from the pipe and the water is being wasted. So he quickly ran to the tap and he closed the tap so that the water stops flowing and it cannot be wasted. Right? Now, when Mr. Roy came back, he noticed that Yash actually took a step for saving water, right? And he saw that Yash has actually closed the tap so that the water cannot be wasted. Now he was actually very impressed by the presence of mind of Yash, right? So he actually appreciated him. Appreciated means complimented. Appreciated means complimented. He actually complimented Yash for his present of mind and he told that he did a very great job, right? There only Mrs. Roy was in the kitchen and she was busy in preparing the lunch for everyone, right? And her maid servant, whose name is Simmi. Simmi was washing and chopping the vegetables. Where chopping, now chopping means cutting, right? Chopping means cutting the vegetables. After that, moving ahead, after that, when the cooking of the lunch was over, Simei, the maid who was working over there, she actually went to the river that flowed near their house and she threw all the vegetable peels and the garbage in that river. What is garbage? Garbage means the leftover waste, right? So she used to throw all the vegetable peels and the waste in the river, right? Now, Mrs. Roy's daughter, who is Jhumpa, right? So she was watching Simmi from her window and she felt so bad when she saw that she is actually polluting the river by throwing all the waste material or the stuffs in the river, right? And she immediately ran down from the stairs to stop Simi. Immediately means suddenly, right? So she suddenly went over the stairs to stop Simi. Now, Jumpa went to Simi and she told that Jumpa, stop doing this. You are actually polluting the river. Now, Simi said that it's a simple thing. What everyone does, I am also doing so. So, what is wrong in this? Right? Now, when Mrs. Roy saw her daughter going over there, she also ran towards them and she asked them that what are you both doing here? Right? Now, Mrs. Roy was actually searching for her daughter at that time. Searching means to look for. To look for. And she found both of them there and she went over then and asked them both that what are you both doing here? Right? Moving ahead. So now the mother asks Jumpa that why don't you come in and finish your lunch first? But Jumpa is not at all actually ready to go inside because first of all she wanted to make a signpost. Now what is a signpost? It is actually a kind of board on which the short messages are written, right? So now what happens? She says that she explains to me that look, if you are throwing the garbage in the river, then you are polluting the river and the other people are too polluting the river. Then what's the difference between you and those other people? And if we keep on continuously throwing the garbage in the water, then how are we going to clean the river? And we drink water from this river. If the water is being dirty, then how can we drink the water from this river, right? So now Sydney was actually feeling thoughtless, right? So she actually felt thoughtless. Thoughtless means she didn't think of. Didn't think of. She was feeling like, how come I didn't think of this thing? Right? And Jumpa also told Simi that water is actually very precious for us. Precious means important, right? Precious means important. And she also told Simi that if we continue to throw the garbage and the waste in the river, it will actually get choked. Choked means it will be stuck, right? The waste would get stuck in the river and the river might get choked, right? So at that time, Simi also felt really bad and she felt how thoughtless was she. And then Jhumpa encourages her. Encourages means she actually motivates her, right? Encourages means motivates. So she motivates her and says that if we keep the place around us neat and clean, we can make our earth more clean and green. Right? moving ahead. So now, Mrs. Roy was actually very happy that she heard her daughter saying these things, right? So now she also helped her daughter to make a signpost on which they wrote that stop polluting river. Right now, the mother and the daughter both made this signpost on which they wrote "Stop polluting the river." Right? And after that, Mr. Roy got to know this. So he was really happy and feeling proud of their son and their daughter's efforts. Efforts means hard work. Right? Hard work. Now, he actually announces a surprise for their kids and says that get ready everyone and we are going to the zoo. And the kids became very happy and they shouted aloud that Papa, you are actually very great. Right? So, here we have some questions for you. Let us see whether you are able to answer them or not. So, the first question is what is the name of Mr. Roy's son and daughter? So, can you name the name of son and daughter of Mr. Roy? Absolutely correct. The name of the son was Yash and the daughter was Jhumpa. Right? Next, what does Jhumpa wanted to make? So what was the thing that Jhumpa actually wanted to make? Can you answer me? Absolutely correct. She actually wanted to make a signpost. Right? So these were the questions. I hope you were easily able to answer these. So that was all about the chapter, and we learned that the value of water is very clear and it's a treasure, so true. So let's conserve it very wisely for me and for you, right? So join us for more inspiring content, poems, and stories like this. Do subscribe our channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you so much.